Here's how to use FlashLoop AI. FlashLoop AI is accessible on Google Safari or to your Chrome. And then once you search it, you can go ahead and download it on iOS app if you want or to your Android app if you want. As you can see, I can go ahead and download it on my iPhone. And then once I have already downloaded and signed in, I can now go ahead and create a video. As you can see at the top, you can go ahead and add a prompt that can be generated on the fluff. And then afterwards, as you can see, there are different methods that you can go ahead and see using a Veo 3. Now, let's say, for example, we are going to add a prompt wherein we will say a cinematic monkey shot. And then afterwards, what I need to do is to click on Create Video. Apparently, you need more 1,000 more credits, or you have to avail a premium plan to be able to use the whole package or the whole system of the Flash. And then you can also edit it to image the video if you want to. And that is how you use the AI to create a video.